Welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming up with a great video in USA medical billing. As you all know that I am teaching freelancing skills, English skills, as well as I have another YouTube channel where I am teaching about artificial intelligence, AI, uh, office skills, and I am also teaching about the technologies. So my today's topic is about CMS 1500 form in USA medical billing. So this is too much important when you will start your career in USA medical billing. So you will encounter this CMS 1500 form as in USA medical billing. You all know that this is a great skill. In 2026 you can start and you can earn in dollars and you can work from home. So it is a great opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity and learn these skills in 2026. So let's get started. So my today's topic is about the health insurance claim form. When you will download the CMS 1500 form, then its version would be HICFA. So in the first step you can see the insurance name. So in USA medical billing, basically there are three types of insurance companies. So there are many types, but the three important types: Medicaid, Medicare, and commercial insurance companies. So here the first step will be the payer ID, where we can electronically submit the claims and the insurance companies receive claims. So here the payer ID. Then after, when you will see in the CMS 1500, then here will be option payer name. It would be any insurance: Medicare, Medicare, TRICARE, JAMPO, and other Cigna, UHC. When you will learn medical billing skills, then you will know these terms. And here would be the member's ID, or you can say insured name and ID. So I have made a dedicated video about this, the difference between patient and insured. So you can watch that video as well. So here then the second step would be patient name, first name, last name, and middle name. You will put these terms. So it actually automatically when you will work in the practice management system, then the form will be automatically filled on the back end. So just you should know the basic concept about CMS 1500 form. So you can say we can't share the patient name because as a medical biller I know the HIPAA rules. So there are the strict rules. So I can't share the provider data and the patient data. So this is a dummy data. So I will teach through dummy data. Then you all know that name, a patient name would be here, and the date of birth of the patient. And here the sex is mentioned. The patient is male or female. And in the fourth column you can see insured name. Insured may be patient. So if they are same, then I have made video about this, so you can watch that video. I will not waste my time here. So here the patient address will be in the fifth column, in the fifth row, and in the sixth row there will be patient relationship to insured. So here will be self, spouse, child, other. Then in the seventh row there is insured address, like street, you can say city, state, then zip code. Zip code is you can say it consists of 5 digits, and then the telephone number. So the code for USA is +1, is the USA code, and the telephone number will be there. So here if the patient is self, then the address will be same here. If the patient is child or spouse, then their address will be same, but the insured name will be different. So keep in this mind. So in the ninth there is other names, so no need to fill this one. Here is patient condition related to employment. You can say yes. If patient is employed, then you can say auto incident. This will mostly this will be no. In some cases it would be yes. So most of the cases it would be no. Okay. So here again the same thing is here. So I will not repeat this one. Okay. Is there another health benefit plan? If the patient has secondary insurance, then you will tick. Otherwise, no need to tick on this. Okay. So here you can say date of current illness. If you are working about the physical therapy, chiropractic, or the acupuncture, I think there the DOI, date of incident, or date, and that is required there. Okay. And date of injury, you can say DOI. Then no need to fill out this one. Then here dates. No, if the patient initial treatment, it would be required in the physical therapy, or it is if you are working in mental health, no need to fill out this one. And here you can uh, the total charges you can also mention here, like the billed amount is $150, so it would be mentioned here. Okay. And then the important thing is you can also mention the referring provider. It is also important. PCP, you can mention his or her name here in this column. Okay. If the referral is required, most of the case there is no requirement for referral. So when I will talk about and the column 21st, here is mentioned the diagnosis or nature of illness. So actually in USA medical billing, they are replacing the you can say illness with specific codes, like any codes. It consists of you can say alphanumeric codes that are representing for illness. And when I will talk about the row 22, here resubmission code. So when the claim will denied by insurance company, then you will mention here 07 with the correction. Okay. So that is also available in your CMS 1500 form. So it is the downloaded version of CMS 1500 form. So that's why all the details are not here. So then you will put here the claim number. When you will learn the all the basics in your medical, and then you will familiar with these terminologies. If you are new in medical billing, then you will wonder to hear these terms. Okay, terminology. So here in row 24, there would be multiple dates of service in the claim. So here you can see there are four. There might be a single date of service here, and the rendering provider's name. So the rendering provider's name would be here, and his her CP, his her NPI. It would be about 10 digits, like 1, 2, then up to 10 digits would be the NPI number. It would be anything, but the NPI number will be in a numeric form. So there will be multiple dates of service here. In mental health billing, so there will be a single date of service. So in other billing, there will be multiple dates of service. So you can submit under a single claim. Then here the federal tax ID number or social security number, you can say. It would also consist of 9 digits, any numeric digits, okay, 1, 2, then up to nine digits. So it consists of 9 digits, social security number, or you can say federal tax ID. Then here in 26th, the patient's account number. If it is available, then it would be here. And the total charge, I said the fee of the provider, you can say it might be $200, $150. So then if the insurance will pay, then it would be $150. The insurance can pay 150 or $200. So it will pay the allowed amount, okay. So here actually the billing provider, it could be the facility name and the facility address, extra state, city, and zip code will be here. This service facility location, where the facility is located in New York, and the city as well as address, zip code will be mentioned there, okay. Here the signature of the physician of the or the provider, okay. Here will be the signature. So this is a great video in USA Medical Law. Thank you so much, viewers. Please tap on a subscriber button. Thank you so much.